Alright, what's going good, YouTube? It's your boy Eric. We're back, and today we're in the C7 Z06. We're headed to a meet out in Mexico. You already know. Everybody knows, like, I think it's May 9th. I think a couple days ago, Kyle from 1320 passed away. There's like a bunch of meets going on in town. I got invited to like a private invite, a meet only. That's with Street Science and 2-0 Mexico. Shout out them. And everyone else is doing meets on the side too, man. But I'm gonna go to that meet because coincidentally, I just literally got done yesterday tuning it. It's on E60 and headers. It's pretty much E60 headers car. E85 was like too much. Like Justin White just told me like you ran out of fuel pretty much, so, or injector or something like that. I need to go with like port injection or like meth if I want to like keep modding it up. So right now it's pretty much E60 headers car and the cold air. So we're gonna see what it can do, man. It felt spicy with this tune. I'm not gonna lie, it felt spicy, but I also haven't like. I come from NA platforms. I think boost is gonna feel fast, but I'll be funny if it didn't. It felt spicy. I ain't going front. It felt spicy. All right. So we'll see. It was a bunch of, dude, I swear to God, if y'all been following me, like, I kind of been on the low lately just because this tuning shit's been like taking forever, man. Like, and you need to install a wideband. You need to dial in pump gas. You need to make sure there's no exhaust leaks. Then you gotta dial it in for E85, and it's just a bunch of stuff, man. But low key, it was kind of worth it. I mean, it feels good. And then we're on this tire right now just because I hate, honestly, the other tire hooks real good, but I let it sitting too long and it has like a flat spot on it, so it like speed wobbles or something. It just feels ugly. It feels being robbed of power every time it speed wobbles. On this tire setup, like, it feels smooth. There's no speed wobble, like there's no flat spots on it. So we're gonna see what this car can do on this setup. And I don't know, man. I don't even know if I'll be, honestly, I don't even know what this meet, like crazy fast car is gonna be there. So I'm ready to take L's pretty much. But, I mean, as y'all can see, we got the GoPro, the GhostMount, and man, yeah, we're gonna run it, man. We're gonna see what it can do. Y'all can take a look at the whip, I guess. All right, here she is, guys. So we got the lid, cold air. We're on E85 with the headers and a catch can, and we got the DSX aux pump for supporting fuel. Yeah, man. I just got a tune with Justin White too. So we're gonna see if he's really God Almighty tuner like everyone says he is. And I mean, it was wrong when we were doing the watts, but he did say I was pretty much running out of injector or fuel or something like that. And I'm gonna need, I guess, port injection or meth to keep modding it. So like he's literally like, we're like one cool away from it, like out of injector, and boom. Yeah, because I guess he wasn't expecting like the E85 or the E85 content near my house. So like good. It was running like E71 or something like that, and yeah, so I guess I'm pretty maxed out on like the setup for right now. But yeah, I can get a look of it roundabout. We are back on the stock tire or the matching rear signature because, man, I hate it. The driving quality of the other Mickey Thompson R hooks good, but the driving quality sucks. Like if you just let it sit for a while, it has like a flat spot. And so like these just run smooth. I feel like the power delivery, since it's smooth, you don't lose power. I feel like if you have a flat spot on your Mickey Thompson R and you're delivering all the power, you're gonna lose like some sort of power from like all the wobble and stuff like that. So like when I was doing watt on this tire setup, like it was running good. Like on concrete, you heat the tire up somewhat, and for this power range it'll hook all right, but you definitely gotta heat up the tire. And like the way it's just so smooth without the flat spot compared to the ET Street R's, like it just delivers the power so good. So I mean, I'll be funny if I say it's not running good. It feels great to me. So we'll see, man. So right now we're gonna head out to the meet. It's about a 30-minute drive, a little bit out of town, but it's definitely gonna be worth it. So I mean, whoever's down to run, I mean, I'm down to run tonight. Here it is, man. It's just a header Z car. Let's see what it can do, man. First round of mods, going to Street Science and 2-0 Mexico meet. Tribute to Kyle for 1320 video. So I mean, it's gonna be popping without a doubt. So let's see what kind of runs we can get tonight, man. Yeah, man, stay tuned. We're gonna, as soon as I pull up, we'll go walk around and see what cars are there. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna get runs though. Like everyone there is like super fast, like minimum 800-900 is like your power range you should be at when you come to one of those meets. But I was invited, so I'm gonna pull up and see if we can get any type of, man. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all when we get there. Peace. We're here at the meet. I pulled up. There's already some like pretty crazy cars around here, so we'll just go do a little walk around. as y'all can see. It's pretty crazy right now. Damn. Do you mind run this Coyote? I forget exactly what's done to the mods right now in a little bit. And then probably that C6 Z06 over there. Probably like heads, cam 85. So that'd be a good match. Over there. What's a C7? I think that's homie. Oh, we got infamous Texas Fast 5-0. Sheesh. What's up? I got you. Nah, bro. Oh, then we got this. I think it's a S650 Paxton Coyote. This one was moving out too last night on that other meet. Damn, that's pretty wicked. Sheesh. Ooh, let's go check out this purple GTR over here. Damn, that's a beautiful ass fucking GTR, bro. That's low-key the color I would get like on a Viper or something. Damn, I don't know if it's a wrap or not, but it looks pretty clean. Holy shit, dude, that thing is pretty fucking wicked. With the bell axe, I think, nah, maybe these might be like the knockoffs. Pretty much the same shit. You already know if you get like the Alibaba ones, the same material, bro, so it make no difference. Just go around over here real quick. It's like a Audi RS. Exhaust out the hood, crazy. Oh, that's that fast Audi S7, I think. Carbon hood, this one moves out. This is sick GTR. I don't think he's running tonight. I think he's having like fuel issues or something like that. I don't know, it's clean as hell. I ain't gonna front. That was clean as hell. Dang, with the tillage. That one's tough, bro. Ooh. Got this Mustang right here. I think this one's like Paxton or something like that. Low-key miss some of the cars over here. We have this F-150 here. I don't know if it's all-wheel drive or not, but it looks pretty sick. You know, this is Texas, man. You never know if it's boosted or NA. Even NA, they're gonna move out still too. Got a piece of Coyote over here. Crazy as fuck. I think it's NA. Sheesh. Another fast NA. Coyote. What's over here? Damn, got the STO. Damn. Sheesh. Alright, man, let's get to the runs real quick. Damn. Bro, this meet, I'm starting to wonder where the right meet. Looking like TX2K. Got a couple Coyotes right here. Damn, this one has a badass carbon hood. Holy shoot. I don't know if it's NA or not. The wheels are pretty fucking sick. I think they're welds. S77s. That one's pretty sick. Over here real quick. Let's check out that C6 Z06, the gray one. Damn, makes me miss my old black C6 Z06. But damn, the stance on this is good. Low as hell. It was on a Toyo R888, I think, too. This might be a good matchup, I'm telling y'all. If it's like heads, cam, E85, might be making the same horsepower. Ooh, and it has like a carbon roof. 01 vibe, 01 vibe. Yeah, man, clean. Looks pretty tough. Yeah, I'll try to get a run with that. I think that yellow Audi wants to get a run in, too. Damn, this one's a beautiful color. Kind of rare. You don't really see them in this color too often. I think it's the, I don't know what color. It's like cyber gray or something. Dang, nice. Let's check out this gray C7 Z06. Not seen this one in town, man. But I wonder if it's a manual. I don't know. See if we can get a run in. Some C7 crime. Damn. I think it's an auto. But yeah. This is a shark gray, I think. The yellow calipers. Pretty cool spec. Then we have homie the scat pad. Sheesh. Oh yeah, let's check out that red C6, man. That might be a good matchup too, man. I think that one's maybe on some low boost or something like that. CC dubs. Those are some sick wheels, dude. Fitment is good. Oh, that hood's different. Dang. Comment if you know what the hood this is. Dang. All the airflow. Dang. Tell you, man, fitments on the C6Zs, you can't beat them. We got the homie Evil Hook, something like that. This one's crazy, man. We gonna get up here. We gonna get up here with the 01. Let's get only, man. That thing is wicked. Feels like a Hellion or an Odin kit somewhere. Damn. Ooh, got a C6 Z01 over here. Sheesh. Dang. Oh, it's wrapped in blue. The CC dubs. Never really see a 01 wrapped in like this type of flat blue. I think it's badass. Oh, I think it has like carbon headlights or something. Oh no, I think they're just the black ones. These are pretty sick. Got my wheels on for these. Little sneak peek how my black 01's gonna look. Got a bike and a Mustang over here. Well, boys, I think we might have some good Power Rangers. We got Power Rangers like 1,000 to like probably like mid 500s. Got a wide variety of Power Rangers around here. Let's check out these. I think if they're an A, these are pretty sick. C7 Z06. We'll see right now, guys. See what kind of mods they got done to it. Hey, don't let these LS3s fool you, man. This one might be boosted to the moon. As y'all can see, this meat is popping, bro. Like, it's crazy. I think you just saw like a Ferrari and a Lambo pull up too. We'll go check those out right now too. Damn, but this wheel setup's pretty sick too. Like I said, low key might be some good runs, but like I said, I am trying to race like different platforms. I'm not just trying to race like LS on LS or LT LS crime, you know. Like if we gonna be the fastest, let's be the actual fastest of all the platforms. Which I'm probably gonna get Gap, but let's see. Damn, this 01's so sick, dude. Got the 1000 double R. Beautiful, man. The extended swing arm. Sheesh. Bro, I like these bikes so much, but I don't think I'm gonna kill myself if I get on one of these, dude. These things are so sick. Dude, with the fucking carbon like fairings and shit like that. Dude, so bad. I think that's carbon wheels. Yep, carbon wheels. Damn. I bet you this is light as hell, bro. I bet you this is light as hell. Oh, with the carbon seat. Whew. Sick ass bike, man. Damn. Got all these other bikes too.
He goes, I knew you were in a time crunch. I said, bullshit, bro. You've been fucking like, it's been like 6 months, bro.
Yeah. Bro, these are the VCF new 01 wheels on the homie 01. Y'all seen street signs, already know this is that cyber gray. 2650, really badass shit. With the carbon headlights. 2650. Damn, just tough, bro. Pushing the cool thou wow, carbon mirror. 01 tilt seats. Damn. Was good. Alright, sit. Mustang ESS GXR 100mm pulley. Show us the goodies, my boy. Show us the goodies. Damn, there she is. Cool. Fuel?
Yeah, it's E85.
Like full E85? Mm-hmm. Damn. And then some weight reduction or not?
No.
Full weight? Alright. And this should be a good one, man. Because I think the last one I ran was also, I think it was, I want to say it's a little faster. Did you see? Remember the white? There's like a, yeah. And then he had the lightweight brakes. You got lightweight brakes or no?
No.
Damn, dude. I'll tell you, bro. Chrome with the purple, dude. This is, yeah, it's like slaps, bro. Cause I low key like purple a lot.
Yeah.
Dude, it's fucking sick.
Just gonna clean it up, but...
Yeah. But we can do. So what's your roll? What's your time?
50, I think.
50?
Best,
Yeah, that's what Casey wanted too. I said we do a 50, 55, and a 60.
Okay. Yeah.
Like 55 is even, a little something. Let me see. I ain't gonna front, those were some good back and forths, bro.
Dude, those are some badass races, bro.
Those were badass, dude.
That was sick.
Dude, what the hell? I was surprised he did like a little better on the. I thought the 50 you're gonna just smoke me, bro. Because on the 60 you got me. On the 60, like you fucking got me on the 60 easy. Like top, you got top end, dude. Like like no, crazy.
The top end, like it really shines at the top end.
Yeah, I think these like smaller blowers make a little more like more torque on the lower side, like from the jump. But damn, bro, dude, that last race was a little sketch though, bro. Yeah. This was just crazy, dude. Yeah. And then we put up the fucking at the QC. I was like, fuck, let's get out of here. Like, you probably got reports, 2 fucking red Corvette and a fucking dark fucking Mustang hauling ass. Oh yeah, those like the races I like, bro. Like the close ass shit.
Dude, like, you make me miss my manual so much, bro. I wish I had a manual.
Oh yeah.
Because that would have been like even better.
Yeah, stick shift versus stick shift shit, yes. Bro. Yes, dude. Like, that's why Street Science is having that stick shift shootout. Yeah. But I think a bunch of like 1100 horsepower are gonna show up. I think they're gonna do another one later on with like maybe 800, 700, like that range. Oh. Okay. And so that one we badass to go to. But yeah, man, these shits are fucking tough, bro. Damn. It'll be sick. We had the Beamer too, man.
I know. Right? Yeah. Sad.
Yeah. Fuck it. 1, 2, 3.